Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy star or snowflake with paper rolls. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Start with a paper towel roll. Now fold each of these little individual circles in half like that. You'll need 3 of this shape and 1 like this. So cut these folded sections in half for this section. And now I'm going to glue them like this. And that's going to go in there like that. Like that, and you're going to make 6 of these, like that. Cut a small piece, and round out the corners. Like that. And now I'm going to glue these, like this, and then 2 on that side, and 2 on this side. Like that. And I got a roll of these beads at the dollar store. And I'm going to cut off one of these flowers and glue one in the center. Like that. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make this paper roll star or snowflake. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little ornaments with cereal box cardboard. So you can use any kind of cereal box type cardboard, and you're going to glue at least 2 layers together. So you'll have to rough it up with either a knife, see how that roughs it up, or some sandpaper, like that. And then you can take some Mod Podge, spread it on your cardboard, place another section over it, and you can weight it down with some heavy books, phone book or something like that. So that's how you prepare your cardboard. And that's what I did. I have these sheets glued together, and this was shirt box cardboard, so I didn't have to paint it white. But if you'd like, you can paint it white so that you can see your markings. And then I just made some sketches until I found a design that I liked. And after I got something that I liked, I then drew them onto a piece of paper. And I'm just using regular acrylic paints. I've drawn the star and the Santa and the snowman. And then I just painted them in with my acrylic paints. I added the buttons just with an eraser from a pencil. Like that. And then I let that dry, and when it was dry, with a Sharpie marker, you can add some details, or you could do details with the paint. Like that. And I painted my Santa in exactly the same way. And on this one I drew a short beard, and this one I made the beard longer. You can make it any size you like. Now I'm going to take my Sharpie marker and I'm going to outline everything on my Santa. And now that that's all dry, I'll coat it with Mod Podge. Like that, and I'll let that dry, and then I can coat it as many times as I would like. And now after these have dried, I can just cut them out. Like that. And with the pencil and white paint, I just put some little dots in his eyes, on his cheeks, and his nose. I threaded a few beads on an ornament hanger, and then I'm just going to take a map tack and puncture a hole, pass the ornament hanger through, like that. And I'm just going to put a little bit of Mod Podge right in there to keep the bead from falling off. There you have it, 2 very cute ornaments made with cereal box cardboard. And if you'd like, you can brush some glitter glue on your snowman or even on your Santa. To make these heart ornaments, first I just took a piece of paper and I cut out the shape of a heart, like that. Then I traced it on a piece of corrugated cardboard and I cut it out. Like that. And I've got 3 hearts here. And then to cut my pieces of fabric, I folded the heart back up and I just cut off about 1/4 inch all the way around, like that. And I folded my fabric, folded my paper heart, and cut around it. So I have some flannel, and I have this fancy upholstery fabric, and I have some burlap. And I'm going to use some Mod Podge, and I'm going to place some Mod Podge all over my heart. Place the fabric down, and you can also brush over the top. And these are dry now, so I'm just going to take a Sharpie marker and I'm just going to make some stitch lines all around the outside edge. Like that. And to make a hanger, I have a length of jute that is probably about 20 inches long, and I'm just going to fold it to find the center, and then I'm just going to take 2 loops like that and form them into a bow. And then I'll take the 2 ends and knot them. And you can use hot glue for this, or you could just use some Mod Podge. I'm just going to use some Mod Podge today. So I'm going to put a goodly amount there. I'm going to place that down into the Mod Podge, and I'm also going to put some Mod Podge right on the knot so that it doesn't come undone. And then I've taken a button and I've put some yarn through it, and that is just because I want to glue it on here, and that little bit of yarn is going to give something for the glue to grab onto. And I will just center that in the middle of my ornament. So I'm going to do that for these 2 as well. And here they are, all finished. And they're very cute for a rustic Christmas tree. If you like this video, please click like. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.